birthday, Tay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tay. Wish na po na tagaan-tagag. Tagang mga katuigan ihatag sa Ginoo. Kalimsog sa panglawas. Ayaw pasagdi imong lawas.
Happy birthday, Tatay Carlito. I love you. I miss you.
Tatay Carlito, akong ambungan nga amahan. Malipayong adlaw natawhan diha tay. Maunta diha unta mi. Nindot unta iuli. Iya unsaon ta man nga daghan pong kakulian, puhon-puhon na lang. Tay no. Okay kayo tay. Mayintag kuan. Mahinaot ko tay nga malipay ka sa amohang gamay nga sa kuan gihanda diha nimo tay. Daghan kay salamat sa tanan-tanan. Happy birthday tay.
happy birthday, Tay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Carlito.
Ang pagkaglaing katuigan o kabasko sa lawas kanunay sa matagaraw adlaw. O salamat kay sa imong pagpadako namo sa tanan magsuon.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Hope you're doing well. Hope you've had a good day with your birthday and your celebrant. May God bless you many more.
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Good health. Wish you all the best that life can offer. I miss you and we love you and hope to see you soon.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatayito. Salamat sa pagbabana ko, Tatay. Salamat sa paglabay sa diaper ni Inday. O ni Kuya. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tatay. We wish you all the best birthday. Stay healthy and go
Happy
home.
birthday, Tay. I wish you all the best. At
Happy birthday to you.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. don't think you mind it if I change your